Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi using cucumber. First, select firm, fresh cucumbers and gather your other ingredients like gochugaru, garlic, and ginger. Slice your cucumbers into 1/4 inch thick rounds or spears, depending on your preference. Then, gently salt the cucumber pieces and let them sit for about 30 minutes. This step helps draw out excess water, ensuring a crispier kimchi. While your cucumbers are resting, let's prepare the flavorful kimchi paste. In a large bowl, combine a generous amount of gochugaru, which is Korean chili powder, with minced garlic, fresh ginger, and a splash of fish sauce. Next, add a small amount of sugar to balance the heat and some chopped green onions for freshness. Mix all these ingredients thoroughly until you have a vibrant, aromatic paste. This is where the magic happens. Now that your cucumbers have released their water, it's time to rinse them thoroughly under cold water and drain them well. This removes excess salt. Next, add the prepared kimchi paste to the cucumbers. Using gloves, gently mix everything together, ensuring each cucumber piece is coated evenly with the delicious paste. Pack the finished kimchi into a clean, airtight jar and refrigerate it for at least 24 hours before enjoying. Your homemade cucumber kimchi is now ready to enjoy. It makes a fantastic side dish with almost any meal, or you can use it as a vibrant topping for noodles or rice bowls. Store any remaining kimchi in an airtight container in the refrigerator, where it will stay fresh and delicious for up to 2 weeks. Remember, the flavors will continue to develop over time. Also, be sure to check the description below for links to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.